Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about col class in Bootstrap. First of all, what is col class? When we provide a col class to a row class inside a row class, then it divides the row in equal part. If we provide two col class, then it is 50% one and 50% in other. You can see if it is 100 pixel, then this is 50 pixel and this is 50 pixel. Okay, and if it is 150 pixel and we provide three col class inside this row class, then it is 50 pixel, 50 pixel, 50 pixel. It means it divide equally each col class. If we provide 4, then it is divided by 4. If we provide 5, then it is divided by 5. Okay, col class divide the width of row equally. Okay, now we see how we can apply col class. First of all, in every class that we use, first we provide the container class. Okay, and inside container we provide row class, and inside row class we provide col class. Okay, if you provide col class directly to the container, it will not work, and you cannot directly provide col class inside the container. You have to first provide container class. Inside container you have to provide row class. Inside row class then you can provide col class. This is the hierarchy, you can say. And similarly you can see here, first we have container. Inside container we have row. Inside row we have col1, col2 and col3. Okay, now we are going to discuss about col class breakpoint. You know that we have 5 type of screen in our Bootstrap. First is extra large, which is equal to 1200 and more than 1200, and then we have large, which is equals to 992 and more than that but less than 1200. Okay, then we have medium size, which is 768 and more than that, and 900 less than 992. Okay, then we have small screen, which is equals to 576 or more than that. Okay, and less than 768. And after that we have extra small, which is less than 576 pixel. Okay, now the breakpoint is that when we have a row class, for example here we have a row class dot row, and inside this row we have 3 col class: col1, col2, col1, col2 and col3. If we provide that breakpoint col xl, it means if we reduce the screen size, then our layout look like col1. In extra large screen we have the layout in one row we have 3 column, but if we reduce the screen size to large, medium, small and extra small, it look like col1 in one row, col2 in second row and col3 in third row. Okay, similarly if we provide lg, then in extra large it look like this, and in large it is look like this: col1, col2 and col3 in single row. But if we reduce to medium, then it look like this. Okay, and if we provide medium, from extra large to medium we have this layout: 3 column in single row. But we reduce to small, then it will look like this, and in extra small also. If we provide a small, then from extra large to small the layout is this, and if we reduce to extra small, then it come to the row wise. Every column is in single row. Okay, now after that we will see how we can implement this in VS Code. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement col class. For that we have to just provide a container class, and inside container we have to provide row class. Okay, I just use 2 row, I just remove this row 3, and here I just remove the text and provide here dot col, and here I provide col space 1, and I just copy this and provide here 2, and after that we provide a styling. Okay, we have to just provide dot col, and here we provide border 5 pixel solid green, and after that let's save. You can see our col1 and col2 having equal width. Okay, when I double click here and go to the inspect, okay, now when I adjust, now it is in large screen. You can see it maintain the equality of width. When I just decrease the screen size to large, you can see it maintain again. When I decrease to medium, you can see still it have the same equality. Okay, and now it is small, but it also have the same width. Okay, now it is a small, extra small, and it maintain the equality. But when I minimize too much, now you can see it is very small, then our text is overflow, that's why it come to the next line. Okay, now after that we just increase this to large. Okay, now after that if I just provide here col class, paste here and provide 3 and 4. Now let's save. You can see we have 4 col class with equal width. When I decrease the size of the device, you can see it maintained. But when we extra small, you can see first this 4 column come to the next row, and this 3 is in the same, and we decrease further, you can see both having 2 col 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now after that we can also provide, if we just copy this and paste here, okay, 5 6 7 8. Now let's save. Okay, I just cut, you can see having equal size, but we decrease too much, then it come to the next row. Okay, now if we want to separate this in single column or 2 column, then we can provide here a class dot w-100. It is for breakpoint. And now let's save. You can see our first column 1 and column 2 in single line, and rest are in the next line. You can provide after 3 and 4. If I want to provide 1 2 3 and 4 class, 4 call in same row, then we provide here after this break dot w-100. Now let's save. You can clearly see our first row having 2 column, second row having 4 column, and last we have 2 column. Okay, if you don't want to provide individually, you can also provide here. Just come to the row class, and after that separate with space and provide row hyphen cols hyphen number of column in one row. For example, I want 2, I provide 2, and now let's save. You can see each having 4, each having 2 call. You can increase also if you provide 3. Now you can see we have 3 1 3, and here we have 2, that's why it is empty, but if we add one more, then it is come to here. Okay, here when we provide some text in our column 1, in column 2, and in column 3 also. Okay, now let's save. Here you can see we have 3 column. Okay, you can see when our device is extra large, it is in 3 column. When we decrease, you can see it is in 3 column. Okay, when we decrease too much, our text is overflow, but it is in 3 column. Okay, for now if we want some breakpoint, then we can provide here, just remove this, we have to just remove this. Okay, and after that we provide here, for example I just set breakpoint for medium screen, I just provide md and I copy this, and I remove all of this. Okay, all of this. Okay, now here I provide md. Okay, now let's save. When our screen is extra large, it is in 3 column. When we decrease to large, it is in 3 column. When our screen is medium, it is still in 3 column. But when we decrease to medium, then it is in single row, you can see. Okay, if I provide here col-md, now let's save, you can clearly see it is in each column in single row. Okay, if here you provide sm small, and here we provide sm and sm, now let's save. In medium screen it is still, sorry, it is, when we are in small screen it is also in column wise, but when we decrease a little bit more, now it is extra small, and all our text, all our column in row wise, you can see column 1 in first row, column 2 in second row, and column 3 in third row. Okay, if you provide here large, you can see in a extra large and large it is having 3 column, but if it is in medium screen, small and extra small, then it will come to each row. Okay, this is how you can provide col class in Bootstrap. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and bye bye.